The new Realme 5S. This is the 48 megapixel quad camera powerhouse. This time we are launching Realme 5S with a new color, the crystal red. This is the newly upgraded Realme 5S with a total of 3 colors, the crystal red, the crystal blue, and the crystal purple. Realme has Mi 5S. We've greatly improved the image capabilities from the original 12 megapixel to the 48 megapixels. In terms of core performance, Realme 5 is integrated with the 5000 mAh high-capacity battery along with Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 AI built on the power-efficient 11-nanometer process.
Realme 5S with a 48 megapixel quad camera, 5000 mAh battery, amazing new designs, yes, and it comes with a 6.5-inch mini dewdrop display. So friends, let's go for the price. Let's cut the chase. It comes in 2 variants, 4GB 64GB variant and 4GB 128GB variant. Realme 5 will still exist alongside Realme 5S. Hence, Realme 464 would be priced at 9,999 rupees. Yes, the amazing powerhouse, 5000 mAh battery, 48 megapixel quad camera for the first time at 9,999 rupees. 4GB 128GB would be priced at 10,999 rupees. The first sale for Realme 5S would be on 29 November at 12 noon. It will be available through our partner Flipkart, Realme.com, and it will be soon available in the stores nearby you. You can also get some of the offers on the first sale, which is like up to no cost EMI going up to 6 months, and partner offers from Jio worth benefit rupees 7,000. Now, let's coming back to the main topic.